Alright, this is Jeff Wexler, Legal Link Confidential. This is June 10th. We're going to do a friendly demand video. These are just for, tracking purposes, for documenting purposes. I've gotten, my mom would use the word in trouble, but when you have allegations and you don't have any convictions that are serious, trouble is worth it always, when it's the righteous angle. So this is the friendly demand letter. We're doing it for Attorney Angles and a guy I worked with before, Attorney David Simmons. And we got an adjusted. I'm gonna say what it is because it's for defamation purposes. It's very embarrassing. It's a allegation though. Obviously, it won't hold up. Most things don't when they're on the unrighteous side. But I feel for you guys. You take on hard things. Family issues. Are the ones that hit closest to home, literally and figuratively, as my home has been sold, and my wife has seen the proceeds before equitable distribution. But anyway, I want to talk about a recent letter that came to me. It was an adjusted domestic violence. I thought it would be dropped, but they doubled down on defamation. Now, there's a couple of key points that I want to talk about. Maybe 5, but I really have 15. I'm just trying to do the mention of a few of the number one biggest one. It says this will serve as an affidavit. So it's a representative or a counsel. He is taking ownership as an affidavit. Okay, so in South Carolina, where I've lived for the last few years, Attorney Angles sent paperwork there too, so that she must understand this as well. It's important that my goal is just to go do stuff a lot higher. I'm talking international law, like law firms I work with, like Cadwalader, have kind of trickled down. But this is important, okay? I like David as a person. He's a nice guy. Again, I worked with him, which is key. But in South Carolina, it's not civil. It's one of 11 states that's criminal defamation, okay? So taking ownership as an affidavit, all those points, if you feel confident that contorting, who called the cops? I did. That my last attorney that I retained is next door, and I was just filming outside. If you take in all